Hello students, we are doing chapter number 4 factorization and today we will start exercise 4.2. In this exercise you will learn how to do factorization by grouping of terms. So first of all we will group the terms in such a way each group is having common factor and then again the common factor we will take out common. Now we will start exercise. First question we have x square plus xy minus x minus y. So first we will group these first two terms and these last two terms. It depends on question to question. Sometimes we have to group first and third, second and fourth, or first and last, second and third. So we will check it in each question. So when I am taking common from these first two terms, I am having x as common. So inside the bracket I have x and then plus and here y. In last two terms we don't have anything common, only just minus symbol we can take out common. We will write here minus 1. If we don't have any number or any variable common, we will write 1. Then inside the bracket we have x plus y, because minus symbol we have taken out common, so this symbol will be plus. So main thing is that this bracket and this bracket should come same. If it is coming same, it means you are doing correct. If it is not coming same, means we have to regroup it. Now this bracket x plus y we will take out common and another bracket will be x minus 1. These are the factors of this question. Now second part, y square minus yz minus 5y plus 5z. So first in these two we will take y as common. Inside the bracket we have y minus z. In last two we can take minus 5 as common, then we have y minus z. Again this y minus z, this is common, we can take it out and another bracket will be y minus 5. Second question, first part, 5xy plus 7y minus 5y square minus 7x. So if we are taking these first two together, then we can take y as common. Inside the bracket we will be having 5x plus 7. And in last two we don't have anything common. It means this grouping is wrong. We have to change the grouping. So what we are doing here, we are taking 5xy and with this 5xy, this minus 5y square. This minus 7x as it is and this plus 7y we will write at last. Now first we will group these two. From these two we can take out 5 and y as common. Inside the bracket we are having x minus y. From the last two, minus 7 we can take out common. Inside the bracket minus x minus y. Now this x minus y we can take out common. Then another bracket will be 5y minus 7. Next question number 2, second part, 5p square minus 8pq minus 10p plus 16q. So if we are taking first two in one group, then we have p as common, we will get 5p minus 8q in one bracket. Here if we take 2 as common, then we will get 5p minus 8q in another bracket. So we can group it like this. We are taking here p as common, then we have 5p minus 8q. From the last two, minus 2 we can take out common, then we have 5p minus 8q. Now this 5p minus 8q we can take out common. Then another bracket will be p minus 2. Next third question, a square b minus ab square plus 3a minus 3b. So from first two we can take out ab as common. Then inside the bracket we have a minus b. From the last two, 3 we can take out common. Then inside the bracket a minus b. This a minus b take out as common. Then another bracket will be ab plus 3. Same way we can do the second part also. From first two we can take out x square as common, then inside the bracket x minus 3. From last two nothing is common, means we will write 1 as common, x minus 3 inside the bracket. Now this x minus 3 we will take out common. and another bracket will be x square plus 1. Fourth question, first part, 6xy square minus 3xy minus 10y plus 5. So from first two we can take out 3xy as common. Inside the bracket here 2 and y is remaining. Then everything we have taken out common, we will write minus 1. If everything we have taken out, then 1 will be remaining. From the last two we can take out minus 5 as common. Then here 2y and minus 1. Because we have taken out minus as common, so this symbol will change. It will become minus 1. Now 2y minus 1 we can take out common. Another bracket will be 3xy minus 5. In the second part, from first two we can take out 3ax minus 6ay. We can take out 3a as common. Then inside the bracket x minus 2y will be there. From the last two, if we take 4b as common, then we will get 2y minus x. It means these terms are coming in different order. So first we will interchange these two. We can write 4bx as first place, 8by as second place. Now we will take out common. When we will take 4b as common, then we have x minus 2y inside the bracket. Now this full bracket we can take out common, x minus 2y, and another bracket will be 3a plus 4b. Question number 5, first part, 1 minus a minus b plus ab. From first two nothing is common, so we will take 1 as common. Inside the bracket 1 minus a. From the last two we can take minus b as common, then inside the bracket 1 minus a. Now 1 minus a we can take out common, and another bracket will be 1 minus b. In second part, first we have to remove this bracket, then we will do the grouping. When we will remove this bracket, this a we have to multiply with each term. A into a square, a into 2b, 2ab, and this will be AC plus 2BC. Now we will do the grouping. When we will take first two, in these first two A is common, A minus 2B inside the bracket. From the last two we can take out minus C as common, A minus 2B inside the bracket. Now this A minus 2B we can take out common, and another bracket will be A minus C. Next we have question number 6. First part, x square plus xy 1 plus y plus y cube. So first we will remove this middle bracket, x square, then xy plus 1 will be xy, xy into y will be xy square, and this y cube as it is. Now we will do the grouping. When we will take first two, in this x is common and x plus y will be inside the bracket. From the last two we can take y to the power 2 as common, then inside the bracket x plus y. Now this x plus y take out common, and another bracket will be x plus y square. Second part is same, only minus symbol is there. So do in the same way. First remove the middle bracket, minus xy plus x square y minus x cube. Minus and minus will become plus, so this symbol will be plus. Now from the first two y we can take out common, y minus x will be inside the bracket. From the last two, x to the power 2 we can take out common, y minus x inside the bracket. So y minus x, y plus x square another bracket. Next is 7th question. This is similar to question number 6, so you can do it yourself. I have done here. First remove the bracket, then do the grouping. Same way the second one you have to do. 8th question, first part, 5pH minus 10qk plus 2rpH minus 4qrk. So from the first two we can take out 5 we can take out as common, then inside the bracket pH minus 2qk. From the last two we can take 2 and r as common, then we have pH minus 2qk. Now this whole bracket we can take out as common, ph minus 2qk, and another bracket will be 5 plus 2r. Now in the second part, first we will remove this middle bracket, x square minus xa minus x into 2b plus 2ab. When we will multiply with minus, so this symbol will change. Now from the first two, x we can take out as common, x minus a. From the last two, 2b we can take out as common, then we have x minus a. X minus a we can take out common, then another bracket will be x minus 2b. Next question number 9, ab x square plus y square minus xy a square plus b square. Already they have done grouping here, but you can see these two brackets are not same. It means we have to regroup it. So first we will remove this bracket, ab x square and ab y square. Second bracket minus xy a square minus xy b square. Now we will regroup it. We will take ab x square with this minus xy a square, and this we can take out at last, xy b square plus ab y square. Now from the first two we can take a and x as common, then we have bx minus ay inside the bracket. Now from these two we can take as yb as common, then we have xb or bx minus ay. Now this bracket we can take out as common, bx minus ay. Another bracket will be ax minus yb. In the second part, first we will remove these bracket. First bracket with the help of x plus y whole square, second one with the help of x minus y whole square. This first will be a square x square plus b square y square plus 2axby. Same way second bracket, b square x square plus a square y square minus 2bxay. So this thing will cancel out. These are same, axby, bxay. Order is different, that doesn't matter, but same. We can cancel out. Now we will regroup it. This one and this one we can take together, a square x square plus a square y square. Then this one, b square x square plus b square y square. This we will shift at last. Now from the first two, a square we can take out common, x square plus y square inside the bracket. From the last, b square we can take out common, x square plus y square inside the bracket. So our factors will be x square plus y square, another bracket, a square plus b square. Question number 10, first part, a cube plus ab 1 minus 2a minus 2b square. So first this middle bracket we will remove. We will get here ab minus 2a square b minus 2b square. From the first two, a we can take out common, then we have a square plus b. From the last two we can take out minus 2b as common, then we have a square plus b. This a square plus b we can take out common, another bracket will be a minus 2b. Second part, 3 we can take out common from all the four terms, then we have x square plus y minus xy plus 4x minus 4. Now from the first two, from these two, xy we can take out common, then we have x minus 1. From the last two, 4 we can take out common, we have x minus 1. So 3 as it is, this x minus 1 also will come out as common, another bracket will be xy plus 4. Next 11th question, a square b plus ab square minus abc minus b square c plus axy plus bxy. So here we have 6 terms, we can take 2 together or we can take 3 together. So I am taking 2 first 2 if I am taking together, then we can take ab as common inside the bracket, a plus b. From the next 2, we can take minus BC as common, then we have A plus B. Because minus symbol we have taken out as common, so this will become plus. From the last 2 xy we can take out common, then we have A plus B. Now this A plus B is common in all the 3 terms. We can take it out common. Then another bracket will be AB minus BC plus xy. Question number 12. Ax square minus bx square, ay square minus by square plus az square minus bz square. So from the first 2 we can take out x square as common, then we have a minus b. From the next 2 we can take out y square as common, then we have a minus b. From the last 2 we can take out z square as common, then we have a minus b. A minus b now we can take out as common term. Then another bracket will be x square plus y square plus z square. Question number 13. X minus 1 minus x minus 1 whole square plus ax minus a. This is little bit different. From the first 2 we will take it like this only. 1 we will write as common. Second bracket as it is, x minus 1 whole square. From the last 2, a we can take out common, then we have x minus 1. Now this x minus 1 and x minus 1, which is common in all the 3 terms, we can take out common. From the first term we have 1 remaining, from the second we have x minus 1 is remaining, and from last a is remaining. Little more we can simplify it. X minus 1, here we have 1 minus x plus 1 plus a. This minus and minus will become plus. Now it will become x minus 1, 1 plus 1 is 2 minus x plus a. So this exercise is completed. Hope you understood all these questions. Thank you for watching this video.